ayaw nilang magpunta sa Pilipinas kasi mahirap makipag-communicate. Okay, nakinig ako, nasabi ko, ay mga luka-luka kayong host.
Go and dumps are diving.
There is somebody's in there.
Good morning, Philippines!
Ay, aalis na naman kami. Galing kami sa, pagkatapos kong nagluto, pupalis na naman. Punta tayo sa Harbor Freight kasi may bibili na naman itong kigwa ko. What?
Let me do that.
No, because you complain your back, so you cannot do it. I can do it.
I can do it too.
Yeah, but I don't want to be the reason of your
Well,
pain.
the reason my pain is my age and my condition.
Nairita ako sa kanila, guys. Ay, itong asawa ko, nakakairita kanina. Sabihin ko sa inyo kung bakit. Alis na naman kami kasi may bibilhin daw. Sino ba yung hindi mairita? Sabihin ko sa inyo mamaya, guys. Iritang-irita ako. Ipaglaban ko yung bansa ako. At saka sa mga kababayan ko. Kahit matigas ulo yung mga kababayan ko, paglaban ko talaga. Look at that, he's in the phone. So what are you getting? So alis lang kami. Maganda yung yard. I really like the way we cut the grass, right, Han? It's like 2.5, right? It's perfect, right? They overcut theirs. But it's nice looking too.
Let's see, they cut an angle. Everybody cuts at an angle. We're the only ones that go straight. You notice that?
You know why? Because it's the look, honey. You know why people cutting that way? It's the look. Us, when we cut, we're everywhere.
I know, but you know,
At least I don't care. It's like looks nice.
yeah, I don't give a about the wall.
I don't. Did you notice that?
Those marks disappear in a day or two when the
No,
grass
they are
starts to
not.
grow.
They are not. They're still the same thing. But anyway, you
You
and
don't
me.
get up here, so usually I can just get a tractor.
I'm
all the way up
afraid
here.
it might flip. I'm afraid it might flip. So ngayon guys, kaya nairita ako. Alam nyo bakit? Wala ako sa Pilipinas. Kahit wala ako sa Pilipinas at alam naman natin itong, yung parang nairita ako sa asawa ko, sa totoo lang, at saka sa pinsan niya. Nag-usap sila guys, nag-usap sila. Andun ako, bahay ko yan, di ba? Naririnig ko, nandun ako sa sa dining, nandun sila sa living room, sa narinig ko. So ang sabi pa, nag-usap sila, ayaw nilang magpunta sa Pilipinas kasi mahirap makipag-communicate. Okay, nakinig ako, nasabi ko, ay mga luka-luka kayong host. Mahirap daw mag-communicate, wala daw masyadong mag-English, hindi makipag-communicate ng mga tao doon. Yung mahirap daw, gason, mahirap daw makipag-communicate kasi English sila. And then, Pilipino tayo. And then yung mga healthcare, totoo naman na hindi talaga kagalingan. I mean, magaling ang mga Pinoy. Okay, totoo. Pero yung mga ganong mga mas magaling dito sa US talaga. Sa totoo lang. Pero mga Pinoy na mga doktor, magaling yan. Yung yung iba lang is hindi talaga magaling. Is yung hospital, yung style ng, basta, alam nyo na yun, gets na ninyo yun. May tao, nahihiya naman ako nito. So, sabi pa, healthcare. Dentistry. Okay, dentistry. Sabi ko, may mga dentistry doon na magaling. Okay, mas mura pa doon. Well, mahal siya kumpara sa ibang Pilipino. Pero yung mga American, maka-afford. At saka, maraming magagaling doon. Sus, Ginoo ko, yung mga beauty nga, magaling. Sa Pilipinas, sabi ko, nakinig lang ako, pero nanginginig ako sa galit. Parang nairita ako ba? At ano pang sabi nila? So nausap sila tungkol dyan sa mga pagkain. Sabi pa parang walang beef daw doon. Walang beef, parang wala daw cow doon. Ang malakas daw doon is pork. Totoo naman talaga, pork at chicken. So ngayon, tapos na sila. Marami silang mga pinagsasabi ba? Sabi ko sa kanya, alam nyo, kayong dalawa, dito na naman tayo, may tao. Nahiya ako guys Gabi kasi halatang halata nag-film ako. Sabi ko, alam mo, nanginginig ako, alam mo, kayong dalawa, ikaw, galing ka sa Pilipinas, hindi naman kita inano talaga, kasi sa visit lang naman sa pamilya ko. Galing ka doon for 3 weeks lang. Yung pinsan mo, hindi nga nakapunta sa sa Pilipinas, ayaw niya magpunta kasi sobra daw init at ayaw niyang samahan yung asawa niya, which is Pinay din. Nairita ako, kayo, magsasalita kayo, parang meron kayong alam. People over there, kahit walang degree, kahit hindi nakatapos na pag-aaral, makag-communicate kami. Kasi kinumpara nila yung Pilipinas sa Costa Rica. Okay? Spanish, country. Maganda naman sa Costa Rica, maganda din sa Pilipinas. Sabi ko, maganda yung Pilipinas. Kung magkapunta talaga kayo doon, Costa Rica is beautiful, pero I think Philippines is the most friendly country, sabi ko. Nagalit ako, guys. Sabi ko, I will defend my country, sabi ko. Ano ako ba? Sabi ko, nandito ako sa Amerika, pero wag mong ano-anuhin yung country ko kasi doon ako nanggaling at alam ko talaga kahit yung mga Pilipino hindi nakatapos ng pag-aaral, pero kahit hindi maganda yung grammar at saka hindi complete English yung mga salita, makakapag-communicate kami mga Pilipino. I-try namin yung best. Sobrang friendly ng country namin. Sabi ko, wag mong ikumpara yung Pilipinas sa ibang Spanish country. Kasi, oh my God, hindi sila marunong. Sus, Ginoo ko. Sabi ko, wag na lang talaga kasi hindi mo alam. Nakapunta ka ng Costa Rica, nakapunta kasi si Mr. ng Costa Rica, mga 2 beses. Wag mong ikumpara. Hindi mo rin alam yung Costa Rica. Hindi mo rin alam ng Pilipinas. Alam ko si Tami, siya, sabi na hindi naman namin sinisira daw. Sabi, hindi naman namin sinisira. Nag-usap lang kami kung ano daw nila, nalaman. Yung mga narinig nila about sa Pilipinas. Sabi ko, Tami, alam ko, binibase mo yan kasi yung pamilya ko hindi makapag-communicate kahit konti. Kasi walang pinag-aralan, sa totoo lang. Diretsahan na tayo, walang pinag-aralan yung pamilya ko. Yung mga sister ko, yung 2 sister ko, nakatungtong ng high school, yun lang. At saka yung iba is wala, especially my parents. Sabi ko, pero wag mong ilahat kasi kahit ganyan yan sila, hindi naman ibig sabihin kahit yung Pilipino, kahit hindi marunong mag-English, magsinyas-sinyas yan, magsensayin, yung ganun ba? Ganyan kaya mga Pilipino, sobraan ka-friendly, dahil hindi marunong mag-English, magsensayin na lang kami, ganun-ganun eh. Ganun, di ba tayo, ganyan tayo, di ba kahit ano? Nanamir. Kahit nahihirapan na yung Pilipino, mag-sign tayo. Kahit sobrang hirap na, mag-sinyas-sinyas kung sa Bisaya, may mga action tayo na parang itry natin ba, sobra ka-friendly, na gusto natin makipag-communicate, kahit hindi tayo makapagsalita ng English. Sabi ko sa kanya, tinatry namin mag-sign, action para mag-gets ninyo, ganyan kami. Sabi pa niya, nag-quiet siya guys, kasi ako high blood ako guys. Sabi ko, I'm going to defend my country and my fellow Filipinos. My God, we are not dumb, we are the best. We are one of the sabi ko talaga, we are one of the best in English spoken. Like, we can speak English, some people can speak English not directly, not completely, but we can communicate. My God, sabi ko talaga, the 2 of you, there's no right, you guys doesn't have any right. Sabi ko, wala kayong karapatan na pag ikumpara yung Pilipinas at saka yung mga pinagsasabi ninyo. Nag-quiet si Tami kasi sabi ko, wag ako kasi namula yung mukha ko, nanigas yung mga panga ko. Irita ko ba? Irritable ako. Sabi ko, alam ko yung country ko, mga luko-luko ang mga Pilipino, hindi naman lahat ha. Wag niyo sabihin na sinabi ko lahat. Pero sobrang friendly kahit yung mga tigasin diyan sa sabi ko talaga, yung mga tigasin diyan sa gilid-gilid, sabi ko, kahit may mga attitude yung matigasin na lasing, kapag may makita silang ibang lahi, parang marunong sila mag-joke, friendly, di ba? Kung andun ka sa probinsya, sabi pa ng kapatid ni Tami, ay kasi yung mga dapat yung mga nasa city lang daw marunong marunong makipag-communicate ng English. Sus, natuliling ako kahit taga-probinsya man ako. Natuliling ako. So pagkatapos talaga sabi ko, anong akala ninyo sa mga taga-bukid? Marunong kami mag-English. Si Tami nag-quiet ako, nagyap-yap, nagyaw-yaw. Nagyaw-yaw talaga ako guys dahil sa galit ko talaga. Nairita ako, irritable, uminit ulo ko, tumigas yung panga ko. Yun lang yung rant ko guys, yun lang yung ko kasi iwan ko na lang si Mr. At andito kami sa Harbor Freight kasi meron siyang bibilihin. Sabi ko, sige, pinagalitan ko siya kanina kasi sabi ko, bibili ka na naman ng kasi mga tools, ang dami mong tools sa bahay. Sabi pa niya, hindi siya, ginano niya ako, sige, bilhin mo na, bahala ka. Sabi ko, bilhin mo na lang yung gusto mo, pero wag masyadong wag kang magpasobra ha. Sabi pa niya, yes. O diba, parang bata. Okay guys, he's here.
Yeah, see, it's bent. Look at it.
Guys, he is here. Okay, now it's time to check the dumpster dive. But this is who he is. He just get out from Harbor Freight and Son, you're not. Oh my God.
What's wrong with this?
That I don't say sing. I say dance.
Oh, sorry. To me, they go together.
Okay.
So what holds the suction cup piece that holds the suction cup is broken. That's fine. Going dumpster diving, going dumpster diving.
There is somebody's in there.
Somebody you to it. Someone else has got there. They got there before you. I guess you're out of luck.
Let me go look. Let me go look. Let me go
Better
look.
shut that light.
Yeah. May nag-dive na dito, guys. Tignan natin. Ah. Somebody's diving.
That old woman got there. She got there before you.
I cannot
She
even
got
dive.
everything good. You got nothing left.
Pork here, what's going on with you?
Stay right here. I'm calling the cops. Maybe you scared her off. Maybe there was good stuff in there and she just freaked her out before she could get it.
Anyway, guys.
How do you know? Might be stuff there.
No.
Huh?
Anyway, guys, we are going home.
You could have just scared her off before she had time to pull anything out.
See, bye-bye na, love.
Bye, guys.
We're gonna
We're
go.
not dumpster diving.
We're not going diving. We're going to home. Because, guys, I cook chicken, right? We don't eat because Tommy decided to get ice cream. So now we are full.
Cream once in a while is good.
Yeah. I enjoy the ice cream today. Usually I don't like that, but the cone that Tommy order is a nice cone. It's like tastes really good. Like there is nuts in it, like
Crunchies. Not nuts.
crunches. There are some nuts in there, flat, like flat.
Not supposed to be, but okay. There's a tasty crab. They were not so great.
Look
We
at
did not really like them.
next time,
We
guys.
not do that again.
And shaking crabs and well, actually, they're all the same.
I'd rather
I think
I'd rather go to Costco, buy king crab legs and cook them myself. That was such a waste. They give you the little
$400, Tommy.
they give you these little shitty crab legs with no meat in them, and they're like, you know what?
Hello, this is the woman here. Look, that's her.
She's going down to the other place.
She's going to bid
She's
bath.
doing the rounds. She got her little burglar cap on and everything.
She's going to bid bath. She's a dumpster diver vlogger.